Ready? Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of my 2020 garden. I have a little helper with me here today and she's going to help me harvest potatoes. So stick around and we'll see you right back here in 20 seconds. Yeah! As you can see, these potatoes are looking pretty sad. We haven't had rain here in quite a while, even though I've been watering them. And I think they just need to be harvested. So let's get this going. The first thing we're going to do is pull out all the green bits. Want a potato? What's a potato? Yeah. Are there more potatoes in here? Oh, look! Here's another one. Oh, it's purple. There's a little baby one. Yeah, potatoes. Do you like potatoes? There's another one. There's another one. Look at that. Let's dump it out. Look, potatoes. There's some more potatoes. They're funny, they're all like this. What does this say? Oh, that's not what's in here. Look at little bitty tiny potatoes. Go, put them over there. Here. Good, Ellie. I think we got them all. We have to do another pot. Okay. There's our potato harvest from the blue potatoes. Not very much, but it's been so dry here I didn't expect much. But that'll be good for 3-4 meals. What's that?
Don't put dirt in the basket. Stinker. Stinker.
These roots, and then they have these little tendrils that have potatoes at the end of them. That's what this is, the seed potato. See how icky it is? And these are also clean because the dirt's so dry. Decent sized ones in here. Little bitty ones, big ones. Yeah. Look at that one. There we go. Want to help me pull them out? I only planted them 6 inches deep, so they won't go much deeper.
You did it the one year where you planted and planted.
Yeah.
Not
I
this year.
didn't, these weren't the right kind of potatoes. Those are for the indeterminate potatoes. These are determinates. Shovel some in there.
We're gonna have a little garden helper.
There is our harvest for today. Pretty good harvest. It's been so dry around here that I really didn't expect that much actually. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now these are going to go inside. I put them on the dining room table for a couple weeks and then they can go in storage, in cold storage down in the basement. See, we're all done. We're all done having fun in the garden. So that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you like what you saw here, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And until next time, happy gardening. Wave at the camera. Wave, say happy gardening. Say happy gardening. We got dirty. That was fun. Bye, everybody.